I made Lahori hot honey chicken thighs. Let's call it air fryer hot honey chicken thighs. This spicy blend recipe came from the city in Pakistan which is called Lahore. Hungry is delicious, delicious. Mair born hungry is delicious. My name is Mair, you're watching Mair Born Hungry YouTube channel. I have 10 ingredients all in total, including skinless bone-in chicken thighs. You can use skin on chicken thighs as well. I like chicken to be extra clean, and in South Asia this recipe, the chicken, they usually use skinless chicken, so why not to just go with the flow and get the best results possible. Here I have 2 pounds of the chicken thighs. Let's add this in our marinade bowl. This whole recipe will take 30 minutes, including marinade time and the air fryer time. Our chickens are ready to get to be Lahori hot honey flavor. These are initial 10 ingredients: honey, salt, chili powder, Kashmiri chili powder, red chili flakes, ginger garlic paste, chaat masala, some oil and vinegar. You want to go on top, add 3 more ingredients to it, so it's gonna be 13 ingredients including chicken thighs. Coriander, cumin, these are roasted ones, turmeric to get onto top. Let's start with the ginger and garlic paste. We'll take 1 whole tablespoon of it, 1/4 tablespoon of the turmeric, main chili for this recipe. This is called Kashmiri chili. It's not super spicy, it gives the color, it gives the flavor. I'll list it so you can easily get it from the YouTube store. And here you go, 1.5 tablespoon. First, we will build easy Lahori touch spices, and then we will prepare the hot honey glaze. In 25 minutes, my friend, these thighs will be ready. Let's do coriander, 1 tablespoon, cumin, 1 tablespoon. Let's add 2 tablespoons of the oil. I'm using olive oil in here. Here you go. Initial marinade is done. Let's turn on our air fryer first. Power, air crisp, temperature is 375, time 25 minutes. It's on the pre. In the meantime, let's mix these thighs, and easy, very easy. Just after 6-7 flips, this is your thigh initial marinade should look like. Look at this. Look at this. This is budget friendly, high protein in 30 minutes. This is what I'm talking about. Air fryer is ready. Let's open and land these beautiful thighs which we just marinated, right? Face down, the shiny side. The front side should go down first. Here you go, all of them in here. After 15 minutes, we will open and we will prepare now Lahori style hot honey glaze. 5 more minutes left, so we can give our delicious thighs a honey glaze. Let's prepare the honey glaze now. Honey, this is hot honey. Build up. So I'm using at least 5 tablespoons of honey. Look at this honey. Whoa. You can use white distilled vinegar or apple cider vinegar. I'm using apple cider. This gives more flavor. At least 3 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. For the Lahori kick is chaat masala. This is the chaat masala. Chili flakes. Chili flakes. Whoa, look at the honey. Yeah. I want everything out from my spoon, so here you go. Hot honey glaze is ready. This is our hot honey glaze, which is ready for the thighs. Okay, we have 3 more minutes. Then we will give the glaze to our chicken thighs. 15 minutes are gone. Look at this, beauties. Wow. Yum. Whoa, 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 whoa. This is the front side now. Let's take all of them out. So easy, man. This is the best weekday high protein dinner recipe, you can say. All this delicious charred beautiful thighs. Okay, moment of truth. I said honey glaze, right? Our Lahori hot honey glaze. Here you go. Just be generous on the hot honey glaze. double glazing, make sure you get the bottom as well. Now hold this face up and put it back in here because they're not done yet. So we have to just give the caramelized a little bit, you know, flavor now on top of these guys. And here you go. Look at this. Look at this shiny honey glaze. And they are back in here. Let's just close the lid. Temperature, let's do it at 400. And we have, I guess, 5 more minutes. The max 5 more minutes. In 20 minutes total time. 5 minutes we left it for the grace period. But we are okay after 5 minutes. Altogether, 25 minutes since we started the process. Our delicious thighs will be ready. Final touches, how we're gonna serve it. Take fresh lemon and cilantro. All together, 20 minutes later, we had the 5 minutes for the grace time, and here you go. Wow, the glaze on it, the crust on it is a bomb. Let's make sure with the temperature, if our chicken thighs in 20 minutes can reach above 165, then they are okay to consume. Yes sir, done, fully done. Cilantro on it, here you go, some lemon. Let it settle down at least for 5 minutes and then we will do a taste test. Here you go, look at this. Hot honey thighs. Here goes the lemon and here goes some more cilantro. Yum. Not dry at all. First bite, steaming hot bite of the Lahori hot honey chicken thighs in air fry. Wow, chaat masala, turmeric, honey and chilies, they are on point. The char on it, honey caramelized, hot honey caramelized. That's what it is. Subscribe, join, hit the bell icon. I'll see you on the next one. Let me enjoy my thighs. They are so good. You should make this delicious recipe as well. I'll see you on the next one. Until then, take care of yourself and bye-bye for now.